Welcome back to another oh, wait. Hold on. I fucked that up. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. I thought it was Friday. Delete. I thought Bullard was speaking today. I just realized that it was Thursday and not Friday. So I was looking at the wrong calendar. So we did get U.S. current account initial claims, continuing jobless claims. All right, new home sales, 10 a.m. Oh boy, we are going to have another very, very interesting day over here. We are seeing the market rally a little bit off the lows. NVIDIA with a price target upgrade in the morning, starting to climb back up after a nasty fall. But if you guys can look at the larger time frames on this thing is kind of ready to start coming down here. So I'd be watching a little bit for NVIDIA to the downside. Again, guys, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. On SPY here, here's what's a little bit interesting. This level right here, this 395.67 is kind of the bottom of the initial volatility that we saw in the market yesterday. We also have this level up here at 397.40 about. So if we break that, that's the next level. Then it's, right here and then back up here. You guys can see it right here. 399.89, which is basically 400, then 401.70, then 402.50. Those are going to be the upside targets. If SPY can't break this initial one right here, you're probably going to reject and come right back down. Tessie's coming up right here, about 2.3% in the pre-market over here. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Above that 200 EMA there. Let's see what we're going to get today, everybody. It is going to be a fun one. And woo, finally caught a Baba gap up. So a little bit of interesting thing here. I actually have Baba calls NVIDIA puts going into today. Now, the interesting thing is you're going to be like, STV, the stock is up 2% in the pre-market. Oh no. Aren't you terrified? No, because the contracts I bought them like way the fuck up here yesterday at like 274. So they're already up 50%. So they could go back to break even, and I don't really care. I just didn't sell them. I turned my phone off. I was like, I like this movement to the downside. And we'll see what happens. So I looked at those at close and I was like, oh shit, those are up 50%. That's pretty cool. But the Baba ones here, these have a bunch of time to expiration here. These could be really good. So Baba's up $4 in the pre-market. That'll be fun. And then we'll do our normal day trades with the traffic lights, man. Baba was a 4-hour traffic light. NVIDIA, this is kind of the second time that I'm trying to chase these chip makers to the downside. AMD, I cut that one so quick on the next day that I bought them. Ended up nailing it back to, actually, no, I think that was also the same day that I nailed it to the upside. So we'll see what happens here. Hey, look, my favorite morning show is live. Sorting Sin. I appreciate that, buddy. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. And hold on. So, team, little bit of an announcement here. Remember, everybody gets over 90% off their first month to the Trade 1348 platform here. Scan the QR code right here. Use code PRINCECITY, and you guys are good to go. The link is pinned to the top of the live chat as well. And remember, for all of you guys that are already existing members that want to get those midweek master streams with me, the morning streams with Gabe, the live master classes, the new thigh gap indicator, get all the new products that we're going to be releasing to you guys 2 weeks before or more, before everybody else. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of next week or before 4 p.m. today, because prices are going to be drastically increasing at the end of the month. So, I think we're set up for a pretty volatile day here. I don't think this is going to be a dud chop day. I think there's going to be a lot of money flowing around deciding where they want to go. But again, guys, you really want to know how to navigate this? Scan that QR code, hop in, watch the curriculum videos. There's over 20 of them at this point. Make sure that you are not getting led to the slaughter by these morons out there that don't know what they're talking about. The thing is sometimes you have to know a lot to know when people are really have no fucking clue what they're talking about. So when I hear these things that people are saying, sometimes I understand how new people in just in general, market participants that may not have been around for a long time could see that and be like, oh, that sounds cool. No. There's so much bullshit out there. Protect yourselves. Signed up last night, watched a ton of your videos. Fuck yeah, Rob. There we go, buddy. There we go. Yeah, some of them are going to be the same ones that existed from way back when. And there's a lot of new ones in there too. Red Light Runner from yesterday. It's full of gems. Are you talking about on the down move? I don't know about the down moves. Fucking Nancy, dude. These stocks have run so much. Like, I love AMD ripping like this. Don't get me wrong. I love it. I'm perfectly fine with that. My long term looking great with AMD back above 100. That's awesome. Maybe I'll trim a little bit. I probably won't, because I didn't do that at 160, and I'm probably not going to do it at fucking 100. But at the same time, these things have run so much. My bias on them would be down for swings. Intraday, it can do whatever the hell it wants. But like these things, what AMD just went from like 76 to 100. That's up 33% in like since the beginning of the month. That's insane. So we'll see what happens here. Ankle gang, what up, Aaron? How you doing? You've been watching them all? Fuck yeah, dude. There we go. That's the way to do things, team. Keep watching those videos. Make sure that you guys are getting caught up to speed, and we are gonna get after it today. Yeah, so I'll probably do something. So I already was able to scale out of the BABA position a little bit yesterday. Then it dropped. I rebought a little bit of it because I still liked it. Then I'll probably do another scale out this morning and then just leave it because it'll effectively be free at that point. Morning, Vix. Let's get it. Dude, I hope you guys are ready for a fun day, man. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Help spread these streams out to some more people, guys. You guys have been crushing it recently. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Again, I'm going to be watching this level here on the SPY pretty closely, this 395.66, if we're going to get a little bit of a pop. Little baby pop. Then we've got this level, 397.40, which honestly, that's pretty big movement here. I would not be surprised if we moved around a bunch today, which would be awesome for the traffic lights. Absolutely awesome. My contacts are a little bit messed up today, too. That's not good. That's no bueno. Let's see. Let's do it. All right. What do we have today? Anything? Yeah. So we have Bullard speaking at 9:30 tomorrow. So I accidentally tweeted that out because I thought today was Friday. It's not. So I deleted that. But we do have new home sales happening at 10. So that could definitely move markets around a little bit. And honestly, I would say that at this point in the tightening cycle with where data is, a lot of the data coming out now can be bullish, which can signal the Fed that they don't have to raise as much anymore after this previous hike. Wouldn't be surprised if we dropped to 385. I wouldn't be surprised either. I also wouldn't be surprised if we ripped to 400. Like, this is kind of where we're at right now, where, again, we did get that rate hike. But if you think about it, it's like, I mean, here, okay, let's break this down a little bit more. What was Powell like yesterday? Very irritated, not confident at all. So when that happens, I would then expect more downside. But at the same time, the market's going to hear what it wants to hear. It may not hear the tone of the things that Powell is saying. It might just hear the words and try to spin them in a way where the large money institutional investors are going to do whatever the fuck they want anyway. So just be careful. I want to lock these, make sure I don't move them around by accident. Here we go. Where's Nancy? Dude, that 270 on Nancy is such a fucker. When it's down at 264, that's beautiful. But yeah, I want Baba to hold up here before open and then just ditch him a little and then we'll see what happens. He did say bumpy and never repeated it when asked. We heard it. Yeah, you guys saw my reaction to when he said bumpy too. I was like, hold on. He basically, and that's the thing too. I tweeted that out. I was like, well, so did he just say no soft landing? Did he just tell everybody no soft landing? Like, that's not great. I mean, I might make a video about that with you guys and be like, well, that's really bad. Him coming out and saying no soft landing is not good. Morning, everyone. Morning, Jay. How you doing, buddy? Morning, Print Team 6. Like and share. Thank you, Notorious. Yeah, guys, make sure you're dropping a like on the video here. Share the stream to some people you think it would find it valuable. And here we go. I need to figure out my eyeball today. I might need new contacts. I just gotta find another one somewhere. I've been almost out of contacts for like 8 months. And I just keep finding them. I'm like, oh, okay. And today's not the day. I already have 100,000 likes in the dark pool. Probably do. Probably do. Let's see. Let's see here. All right, let me screw around on Twitter, see if we see anything. On the feed. Wow. Hindenburg came out with a short report on SQ. Square down 20% off of that. That's dirty. Hindenburg Research says our research indicates that Block has wildly overstated genuine user counts and understated its customer acquisition costs. Jesus, dude, that thing's down 20%. I might have bounced up since then, but let's take a look. SQ. Yeah, down 20% off that Hindenburg report. That's really not great. Oh, where's PayPal? PayPal dropping off that too? Yeah, PayPal's down too now. What else? Affirm. Firm didn't really drop too much. It did get a little bit of a crack, but nothing too crazy. Does your program only teach how to short? No. We teach you how to do literally everything there is to know in the market. Why would you think that we only teach you how to short? We teach you everything. Options trading, crypto, everything. Share your Facebook. That'll be under 50K. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We're 4 away from 50. But Eddie, yeah, we teach everything. If you know nothing about options trading, all the way up to if you're an expert already. Our master classes take things a little bit further. We have the best alerting system on the face of the planet for you guys. They are the fastest. We have traffic lights, speed racer, the normal alerts on a wide variety of different time frames in the Discord. We still have the crypto alerts. Again, it's $5 for your first month too. So make sure you guys are hopping in there. Check it out. I mean, you're not going to be disappointed, and you will see why thousands of people are printing with this. Most of us don't short. We play puts. Yep. 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 It's Thirsty Thursday, man. The boys prepping for Augusta. Better beware. Picked up your new putter yesterday. Oh boy. What is it? Scotty? You get a Scotty, buddy? Die, Nancy. Die. You should not be up here. Speaking of puts, GME puts, anyone? Did it drop again? I mean, what were we talking about yesterday at Open? Oh, man, you guys nailed it. So here's the thing with GME right now, and this is the thing that for those of you guys that are still like, woohoo, please listen to this because the things that I've said in the past, you guys probably haven't listened to, and now your portfolios are reflecting that, and they are down horrendously. So what's happening right now with GME and a lot of these other stocks that pump like this and like previous retail favorites is when they do rip, there are so many more people than you think that are sitting here with their money tied up in this saying, I just want it to go up a little bit more. And if it does, I'm out. That's why right at Open, you just saw everybody was like, get me the fuck out of this thing. So you see these drop. Yeah, it tried to make a move back up. Now it's down another 3.5% in the pre-market here. That's what's going on with this thing after good earnings. Can you talk about your methods for scaling out? Point me to a video. Go to the description of this video. It's called the stop loss strategy. It's the last link in the block of links. Also, if you're in the 3-year program or the OG lifetime, we went over a slightly different way of scaling out using the stop loss strategy yesterday in the midweek masterclass. Hit GME for 90% yesterday. Exactly. All you have to do is think logically in the market sometimes, guys. All you have to do is think logically in the market. If stocks have been falling so aggressively and you know that all of these people are sitting there thinking, I just want to get out at a slightly higher price. I don't want to take this loss, which again is a terrible way to do things anyway, but that's how people are going to do it. As soon as it pops like that, 50% in a day, they're getting the fuck out. It's just what happens. OG lifetime. There you go, Brett. Yeah, guys, remember, reach out to Diana if you do want to upgrade to 3-year. Remember, at the end of next week, prices are drastically going up. Make sure you guys hop in before. If you get on the light in the dailies, it technically from the day before. Yeah, you're basically waiting for it to confirm. Like if I see a 1-minute traffic light here, I'm getting it on the next candle. So it's 1 minute before. Same thing on the daily. It's 1 day before. Same thing. Same kind of deal over there. You got a beta invite to Bard. Google's answer to Chat GPT. Been playing around with it this morning. Oh, that's pretty cool. How is it? I've like barely played around with Chat GPT. Yeah, I mean, I'm want to watch this here, the 395.60. It's fun. That's pretty cool, man. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Don't be a slacker. There's like 160 something of you guys in here and only 50 likes. Come on. Come on. You guys are in the best trading live stream on the face of the planet. You can't drop a like? All right, I don't want Jimmy. I want Baba. Yeah, I want this to hold for open so I can just scale out again. You can get it to code trading alert algos. Yeah, I know you can, but I'm pretty sure that there's always a weird glitch. with it where it doesn't work and you have to actually go in and code some stuff yourself. That's what I've seen with it. Did I see Square drop? Yeah, I saw that. It has to do with the Hindenburg research report. We just covered that. Charge point. Charge point. Charge point was fun. That thing used to move a bunch. Charles Schwab said it could ride out a run on deposits. Oh, that's interesting. So are they? See, here's the other thing too that I find interesting from yesterday. Goldman Sachs was pushing really hard in a lot of these little headlines that you saw to basically say Powell don't raise rates. Now, when you put context to it, it's possible that Goldman Sachs has a duration mismatch problem too. Odds are they don't. It's possible that they do though. I mean, Goldman Sachs, they're smart dudes. Um, and the thing that Powell said yesterday too, which was really interesting, guys. This is something that I want you guys to understand too. It was the same thing that I was saying when we first started to see Silicon Valley Bank and everything else go. The Fed told everybody that this was happening. This wasn't some like surprise emergency series of rate hikes that nobody was expecting. Everybody and their mother knew that the Fed was going to raise rates, and anybody with half a brain knows what happens to bonds as rates go up. They come down. Like and again, with all those talks of a recession, everything like that, people are going to be taking their money out of the banks. How are you as a mid-sized banking institution not seeing that and preparing effectively? I don't get it. That is a wild, wild, wild misstep that they took. And it is completely Silicon Valley Bank's fault. It's not the Fed's fault. It's not. Like if all of these other banks are perfectly fine, then it's not the Fed's fault. Because they saw what Powell was putting out there and said, okay, well, you're telling us what we need to do. So Silicon Valley Bank, their fault. Any of these other banks that had issues, basically their fault too. Because if you are putting all these banks, you guys will implement AI for algorithms within a year. We already do. Like the thing is that if all of the banks were having issues, then it's Powell's fault. But if it's like a couple, it's like it's just like the idiot kids in the back of the class. Like think about it like this. If all the smart kids got A's on a test and then the dum-dums were just sitting in the back and failed it, well, is that the teacher's fault? No, it's the kid's fault for not studying what the teacher was saying. How does it make any sense that it's now the teacher's fault that those two kids sitting in the back of the class that fucking spitballs at each other every day and don't pay attention are failing the class? It's not. It's their fault. It's not the teacher's fault. Like, it's so blatantly obvious that, like, you just have to have a very, very basic understanding of macroeconomics and monetary policy. It's not hard. Degens. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. And remember, everybody gets over 90% off their first month to the platform. You guys see the QR code on the screen here. Make sure you guys are scanning that. And I'll throw the link in the live chat here for you guys, too. I'll throw that link in the live chat here for you guys. Sounds like you're bringing up your bad school days. No. No. According to our education system, it's the teacher's fault. No, it's always the person taking the test fault. They didn't even have a risk management for 8 of the last 12 months. Right. That's like saying they didn't do their homework for the last, like the whole thing. It's just their fault for being fucking idiots. Like, honestly, that's what they are. Fucking morons. So let's see what we get today. Baba holding on here a little bit. There we go. Die, 9-3. Die. I don't know if it will. Spy slipping down a little bit here. Baba's holding up all right. I just don't want it to get a fuck you candle it open that I can't get out of. That would be annoying. How quickly the market forgets Powell said bearish shit. They didn't forget. They didn't forget. If you break above here, that's going to be a sign of, okay, they just don't give a fuck. But if you hang out down in here, this is perfectly fine. Because remember, we were at 402. The initial pop was 402. Yeah, 402.50, way the fuck up there. We fell $10 from the top. It's like playing 0 days then crying when you get sparked. Right. It's your fault. Or it's like when Gabe and I tell you guys all these rules, and then somebody's like, "Well, I'm gonna go trade a cup and handle," and then they get fucked. It's like, well, that's your fault for being an idiot and not listening to the things that we've told you. It's the same thing. It applies to everything. Die, Nancy. All right, guys, we got about 25 minutes until open. Here we go. This is gonna be a fun ass day. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. SIVB is still suspended. I think so. I mean, I haven't been paying attention to like the tickers, but I've been paying attention to the situation because once everybody knows about the situation, in my opinion, it's no longer like a smart thing to trade. Can you give a shout out to my boy, Mad Money Mike? He joined the community about a month ago, making small daily gains and learned the strategies. Only friend that actually listened. Thanks, 1348. There you go. Will you be doing a video about the 13 EMA versus the traffic light values on the Genie? Yeah, we can do that. I mean, we'll probably talk about that in the masterclass this Sunday. Accepting responsibility is crucial, and you are the pilot. Yep, you're the only one making that buy or sell decision, man. Shopify deep in partnership with Google to bring Google Cloud search discovery tooling to enterprise brands using commerce components. Oh. Now moving on. I mean, it's up 1% in the pre-market, but that's interesting news. That's interesting news there. All right. Market needs to pick a direction already. I don't know if it's going to. It's probably just going to be scalp city for a while. You might be able to swing it a little bit after Powell, but I mean, my swings are looking pretty sexy right now, so we'll see. We will see. Oh, and my fun trades yesterday were cool. I started fucking around a little bit with SPX during Powell. That was fun. That was a good time. Wait the half hour after open if you're unsure. Yep. Very, very smart thing to do. Very smart thing to do. Whew. I'm hungry, bro. Damn. That means I've been eating a lot of Chipotle over the last 2 weeks. If I'm this hungry right now, that means I was eating a shitload of Chipotle. Go back up here, you dum-dum. Can you shut the fuck up, please? It's too early for you to be honking your horn outside. It's too early for this nonsense. All right. Let's see if there's anything coming through the newsfeed on Twitter that's useful. US adds 14 Chinese entities to red flag list. That's interesting. US banks have seen deposits shrink. Yeah. No shit, bro. Over the past year, deposits held at the 25 largest banks are down 5%. Here's why this is a problem. If deposits are down, are these like net? Hold on. Unless that's like deposits coming in, if it's like the deposits that are going in, that's it's a bit weird. But if it's talking about the actual amount of money that are being held in the banks, that's really bad. What's the large domestically? Whoa. Large banks are down, deposits are down 6.1%. That's not good. Yeah, Square is getting Hindenburg. I'm getting chunky. How are you calling me fat right now, bro? How? You guys are calling me fat yesterday too. It's not nice. Let's see. $13.48 should throw out price targets to move the market. Yeah, well, we can't. So we're not an analyst firm. NVIDIA, you're just, I already feel like you're going to be a fucker today. I already just know. This thing, dude, NVIDIA is going to be a fucker today. I can already tell. Is AMD still above 100? 99.92. I mean, it hit 101 yesterday. That was fun. I have a really big AMD position now. For me, like when you think about it, my AMD position is, remember how it was like 18 to 20% of my portfolio just because it's gone up so much? Yeah, now I think it's like 30. I don't want that. That's too much. Daniel, I did see that. That's not good either. Fun fact, Robinhood, small account with SBNY, short position has allowed me to change to a cash account. Wait. How did they let you do that? AMD heard you wish it death and kicked you in the nuts yesterday. It's going to happen at some point. It's just a timing issue. These things have been strong as fuck. Let's see. Dan, I'm going to say something right now that you're not going to like. That statement right there tells me that you're a fucking idiot. With Apple? What are you talking about? A partnership with Apple? Really? 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 Really, bro? Really? That's what you're saying here. That's what you're saying. And this is what I was saying earlier, that you guys better think about who actually told you what was about to happen before it did. Because if you didn't listen last time, your portfolio doesn't like you anymore. You made enough yesterday to cover the $7,000 required for the short position, but you didn't have to close the SBNY. There you go. Said invest $1 billion to put movies in cinemas. Okay. Like, guys, it's just the new thing that's gonna get hyped up, and then it's not gonna happen. Oh my God, they're partnering with Amazon. Look how that turned out. No, I know this is up now. If you only invest what you can lose, you won't become a cultist. Yep. What happened to SQ? Brian, it was a Hindenburg short report. And then they're selling off on it right now. That's your 1K challenge account from February 15th. Now 10K, 17K, including the SBNY hold. There you go. Exit liquidity. Well, that's what it seems like they're doing on the chip makers and all these other stocks that they're giving price target upgrades to, but we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, Daily Taylor. I know. Every single time it had to circulate. I feel like most of my time making content about AMC was literally just correcting the dumbass shit that I saw everywhere. I was like, yeah, no, that's not what it is. All right, guys, we got 15 minutes to go, and we are, 16 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Keep running up those numbers. I appreciate you. Let's do it. Nancy, you motherfucker today. I already know it's going to be a fucker. I already know, bro. I already know what it's going to be doing. But yeah, guys, again, everybody gets over 90% off to their first month to the best retail trading platform on the face of the planet, dude. QR code right here. The link is at the top of the live chat too. I can throw that in there for you guys, and make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana to upgrade to 3-year before the end of next week, because that's when prices are drastically going up on the 3-year plan. Is coin essentially acting like these regional bank issues? They got a Wells notice, which is interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Hi, Baba. Hello. Let's see. All right. 14 minutes to go until open. Let's see. Billionaire investor Leon Kuberman says the U.S. is going through a textbook financial crisis and the S&P won't hit a new high for a long time. I kind of agree with that. Let's see. NVIDIA looking juicy. NVIDIA looks juicy. Like, I don't know. We'll see. I'll still probably trade it today. Still probably trade it today. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button. Let's get after it this morning. We got what? 13 minutes now? Let's see. What do we got here? Make good decisions today, everyone, and fire up those money printers. Yeah, dude. I mean, we're going back to Print City, whether some of you guys like it or not. Trade 1348 gang is going back to Print City as they always do. So get in or get left behind. Let's see. Let's do it, Kenny. Kenny, you've been murdering it, dude. You have been murdering it. You're whistling the Rocky theme song? There you go. There you go. Come on, Baba. Go. Print City. It's where we live, bro. It's where I scam you guys to making so much money in the market. It's your fault. I know it is my fault. I know it's my fault. Sorry. I apologize to everybody for scamming them and teaching them how to make so much goddamn money in the market. I apologize for that. My bad, bro. Somebody's got to save retail. 93 likes are rookie numbers. Slap the like button, everyone. Thank you, John. I'm a proud citizen of Print City with Gabe as our mayor and STV as the vice mayor. Kenny, you 100%, buddy. Horrible law. I know, Nunya. What a tragedy. All these retail investors are making money with us. How could they? How could they? Yeah, Brett. I trade on Webull. I love Webull. Up, uppy. Let's see. I mean, the Baba contracts have a shitload of time, so I don't know how much they're going to be up. But a fucking $4 or $3-4 gap up is nice. So we'll see. Let's see. 10 minutes until open. Mr. Vice Mayor, can you do something about these taxes? Hey, man, there's very low taxes in Prince City, but when you travel back to the real world, you got to figure something out. You're going to have to figure something out there. Nancy Hunton. Tessie looks interesting. Let's see. How about sheriff? I'll be the sheriff. I'll be the sheriff. That's fine. I'll be the sheriff of Prince City. All right. Open the market. It's time to turn on the money printers, team. It's always weird sitting here in the morning and it's just like, we're just like, open it. Come on, open the market. Like, let's go. It's time for open. We're just sitting here, just like, come on. I wish I could just wake up at like 9:20 and then just come over here and only have to wait like a couple of minutes. Because when I stare at this all day, I'm like, come on, let's go. Market time. Keynesian debt-based system. Sure. You guys can be whoever you want in Print City. Whoever you want. If you guys want to join us in Print City, remember the entry ticket, the bus ticket to get from here to Print City is only $5 for your first month. So here you guys go right there. Use code Print City at checkout and you guys are all good to go. And then again, if you want to upgrade to 3-year, make sure you reach out to Diana before the end of the week or end of next week. And then you guys are going to be good to go. Eyes on the dollar today. Watch to see a break above 102.50. Okay. What's it at now? Sheriff of Prince City. I like that, Kenny. You. What if I want to pay full price for the first month instead of $5? Is that cool? I mean, you can do whatever you want. We're just giving you the deal of a lifetime. You picture Prince City looking like Fortnite? I don't. I picture it looking like Dubai, but whatever. To each their own. Uppy. Go more. More greed, Baba. Watch. I'm going to get a fuck you knife candle at open. Watch. They're going to run the anti-SCV algo. I mean, I wouldn't sell it. Like, I would just keep it. But all I'm doing is looking for another scale out. Which I should get relatively close to open. Ooh, this is going to be fun. What the? Let's say, here we go. When you picture Dubai, you have a picture of how you're permanently sweaty. Okay. Okay. All righty there, pal. All right, Moto. Thank you. Thank you. You picture the Monopoly guy on top of a fountain in Town Square? Guys, this is Prince City here. Welcome. I hope you guys are ready to have some fun. I hope you guys are ready. It's hot there. I understand, Moto. Bitcoin slipping as market prepares to open. Ooh. Could be off a coin, though. Good morning, people. Feeling brand new this morning since your boy is officially in a new tax bracket. Shout out to all your Cougars. Luke, I'm hoping it's a higher tax bracket. Congratulations, buddy. That's awesome. That is awesome. Coin chat itself. Yeah, after that Wells notice, that's not good. I mean, I was hunting coin puts at one point. I just was like, I don't know. Like, that would have been a lucky move. Just getting it right before the Wells notice. Getting it right before. All right. Yeah, Luke, that's awesome, buddy. Congratulations. New tax bracket's always a fun time. Until you actually have to like pay the taxes, that sucks. But that's what I was doing yesterday. I was trying to like figure out all my tax shit, and I was like, God damn it, I hate the paying this nonsense. I hate it. I like feel like I'm good though, because I estimated it pretty good. My prediction was by my bold tax prediction was pretty spot on. I think I'm fine, but we'll see. Mo money, mo problems. Nah, it's different problems. I've prepared for that. I hate taxes. Depends. It depends. Well, which one should I subscribe for real-time data and trading view? New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, and NASDAQ. Those are the three you want. Die, Nancy. Fucking Nancy death. Give me liberty or give me Nancy death. Coin below the 4-hour 200. Yeah, I'm not going to chase it. I'm not chasing it down. Uppy, no. Uppy, come on. Come on, Baba. Jack Ma, where you at? Buy some fucking shares. Do something. Do something. You played team down, up, and down yesterday. Print City freaking moves fast. Yeah, they go. Yeah, they did. Whoa, that was dumb. But yeah, they do. GME knife. Oh, it makes sense. Makes sense after everybody's like, oh my God, I'm trying to get the fuck out. Yeah, down 5% in the pre-market here. If they can just print more money, why do we have to pay taxes? I mean, it's a good question. It's a good question now, isn't it? It's a very, very valid question. Why do I gotta pay? Ah, here it goes. Here comes Nancy. Oh, these fuckers. I knew they were gonna do this. It's gonna man. I mean, if this thing starts running today, this could get dirty. Like, come on, bro. Just let it go. Baba up now. Spy coming up to open. Yeah, Spy's moving up a little into open. Tessie, same deal. You think you're just not gonna pay your taxes? Good luck with that. We had one guy in here that was like, "Yeah, I haven't paid taxes in like the last 20 years, and I'm fine." And I was like, "Wait, what?" That was like last year he did this, and I was like, "How? Why are you saying this right now?" All right, guys, 2 minutes until open. This is gonna get spicy. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought, Nancy. Get your ass back down. Fuck you. All right, people. Here we go. We got 2 minutes until market open. Tesla expects to lose full $7,500 tax credit on its cheapest electric car. What happened to that guy? Is he a debtor in prison? I don't know. I haven't seen him since, so it's very possible. It's very possible that that's what happened here. Yay, Uppy, Baba. Let's see. Good morning, Vic. Cedar Creeper. What up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, team, you guys are running up the likes into open too. I appreciate you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's have another amazing day in Print City here too. Again, guys, remember everybody gets access to over 90% off their first month to the Trade 1348 platform. Link at the top of the live chat, QR code on the screen. Make sure you guys are scanning that and hopping into the best place to come and learn how to trade and continuously make money in the market, man. There is nowhere else that you're going to see stuff like this happen. And that's the truth. You guys can listen or not. You guys have seen my track record and everybody else in 1348's track record. Don't get led to the slaughter. No, Uppy, come on. Good vibes in here this morning, Luke. 100%, buddy. 100%. Let's have some fun. Spy getting a little jumpy here. Again, I'm watching that 395.60. Here we go. Turn it up into open. Morning, SV. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Thank you, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that, buddy. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Let's see what we got. How rude. All right, the Baba contracts haven't moved. Come on, update, you fuckers. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop. Update. You're taking too long. SPY right up to the level here. Screaming, bro. Screaming up through this level right now. Oh, boy. Come on. Why aren't they updating these damn BABA contracts? Come on. You're taking too long, bro. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Dude, update the damn contracts. It's been a minute. Come on. Let's go. Nancy, 272. There we go. All right, 50% on Baba. There we go. Give me something here. Give me that. There we go. Order filled. Thank you. Thank God, bro. That took you fucking long enough. Jesus. All right, got my scale out. Oh, right as the knife candle happens too, you fucking assholes. Did SPY reject? Yeah, SPY's rejecting here a little. Let's see what happens. Wait, what? Oh, that's no fun. Let's see. Whoa, NVIDIA. Nancy ripping here. Let's see what happens. SPY rejecting that level again. Nancy flying all over the place here, dude. Let's see what happens here with SPY. SPY's trying to get above this level here. Tesla little pop. Yeah, be careful with this. Let's see here. Oh, this is just consolidating up here. Nancy going to turn into the rug pull of the century? I mean, I don't know about that, but I mean, it did what Nancy does in the pre-market or at that little open move there. So let's see what happens. Keep adding to the exit liquidity. I mean, that's what it looks like. How is... this isn't making a bunch of sense. There we go, a little. Let's see what we get here, team. See if we get a knife candle on the SPY. Nancy's still fucking around up here. 2 for 2, 1.8% on the day. There you go. Let's see if it can break this 1 minute 13, that could get a little spicy here. Let's see. I feel like I gotta adjust my camera now. Yeah, a little bit. Let me adjust my camera real quick. All right, SPY tapped. Didn't really do much there. Nancy's slipping a little. Where's Tessie? It's flatlined. I mean, you need SPY down below some of these levels here. What's the 13? 395, 13. Cool. Now, SPY headed higher. Let's see what we get here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get after it today. This is interesting. I mean, you're looking at this level here. That's all you're really looking at. No, that's not good. Baba booming. 54% on those. Yeah, this thing's cooked on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. I don't want to do that. Baba screaming a little. Nancy trying to come back up to 273. Have I already covered the data? Yeah. SPY. Yeah, you haven't really seen the buyers or sellers step up in a big way yet. I mean, you're just teetering under 395.50 right now. Let's see. Still waiting for confirmation. Hope you're doing it right. Yeah, I mean, it's still really early. This thing's just getting, like, don't take this word the wrong way. It's just getting squeezed in between this 1 minute 13 and this level up here at 395.60. So it's got to break this 1 minute 13, potentially come back down to here, and then we'll see what happens. 4,000 mark on ES. Okay. Let's see if you get that crack candle. That 395 break would get interesting. Let's see if it does it here. Here comes a little getting bought up. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Order filled. Thank you. Oh, that's a big boy candle. Dude, these contracts move so fucking crazy. Guys, what did we talk about in the morning with the rejection off this level right here? Perfect. I've got a nice little 10% baby scalp on this, which is nice. So I just scalped it off of here. Risk at the break of this. So let's see what happens. I mean, it's coming back up. Dude, these move like fucking lightning. Oh my God. These literally move like lightning. Yeah, I scaled out. That's pretty good. But like, dude, these are moving like lightning. Oh my God. Had you had candles to your main charts? You only had the dots? What do you mean? I'm a bit confused on that one. What do you mean candles? Like, when you pull up the ticker, you have all the candles. I mean, I still like the trade that I'm in right now. It's just like, how far am I willing to take it? Yours weren't there when you saved the chart? I'm very confused on what you're saying, because if it's like this, then you won't see them. You just have to like double click, and then you're good. So you probably just have to expand the chart. Yeah, I think I'll probably just defend this 13 here. AMD Whiplash. Nancy's selling off a little bit there, but nothing too crazy. Oh my God. Hold on. Nah, SPY coming back up. There you go. Wait, how? Okay. Oh, yeah, I don't like that. Cool. Wow, those are lightning. SPY break here. Baba still looking good. Nancy looking, eh. Let's see here what we get. That's actually funny. Where's the 3-minute on this? 3-minute looks interesting on this thing. It's getting cooked though, so be careful. Let's see. I'd love to see a retest here. That I would love to see that retest. Are they not giving this to me? No, I don't think they're going to give that to me. That's fine. Nancy back above 273. Retest sounds fun. It does sound fun. I just want to see if it gives it to me. It's not. Got an order waiting. Come on. I'm not buying it on this. Give me a retest. That was a quick ass retest too. Damn it, bro. Those contracts would have gone up so much. Cancel order. Ooh, Nancy new highs. Baba, you're an asshole. Next level is, I'll tell you right now, right here, 397.40. Let's see. Yeah, sorting sin, it does. Let's see what we get here. There's the sell. There's that retest. There's the slip. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Nancy Shark. Hey, you got the retest. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, got my scale out. That's nice. So, whoa, how did that's crazy. Order filled. Wow, I just nailed that retest too. I kind of like this. That was 20% right there. That was 20%. The spy's coming up. Nancy's slipping here. That's interesting. Hit the like button for this lad. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice clean retest here. I like that. I just scalped it up like what? That was a 40-cent move and I was up. Wow. Wow. Yeah, still up 50% on the Baba swings. The Nancy's are flickering. Let's see. Can I talk about the Apple 1-minute call and why it was a bad move? Waiting for the close above the 200. Let's see quickly. What else do I have open? Nothing crazy. Apple 1-minute traffic light. This is fine. I mean, you're waiting for it above the 200 here. That's fine. It's just traffic lights back down here. So let's say you're getting it here, 150. Yeah, that's barely a loss, man. Barely a loss. I mean, you do have another retest right here. Yeah, that's the game. You got to play with it. I like these. The retests are nasty with them. Yeah, Nancy back up. Where's this on the 5-minute or the 3-minute? I think it's losing it, isn't it? Nah, lost it for. Oh no, yeah, it's definitely not on that candle. Let's get Baba back up here. What the? You dick. It's gonna look different on the 5-minute though. Damn. SPY up. Let's see what we get here. Chop day not for you. Yeah, it's fine. So you're watching for if it slips and closes down below this. I mean, you've seen no traffic lights on the SPY yet today. 0. Let's see. SPY does not like this 396 currently. He keeps flashing above and then getting sold back into. Let's see if it breaks the highs here. Suspect that it dipped so much yesterday and now it's ripped right back. No, that's not suspect at all. This is just dip buyers coming in. That's all this looks like here. I honestly would expect this thing, if it loses momentum, the 1-minute traffic light down could be dirty. Dude, Nancy is moving so much. Like, these are dollar moves. RSI. On the 1-minute, it's fine. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are 15 away from 150. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Let's see. And make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana to hop into 3-year before the prices increase at the end of next week. And all of you guys in here right now lurking get access to $5 for your first month. Not $5 off. You literally pay $5 for your first month to get into the best trading platform that retail investors have ever had access to. So there's the link in the live chat right there. Make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in joining us in Print City. Next resistance on SPY 402. Absolutely not. That's $6, bro. $7. No. It's not like this right here. 397.37 if it breaks this. You're crazy. SPY on the 3-minute. Yeah, but I don't think you got a traffic light on the 3-minute on the SPY today. No, it was at open, but yeah, you technically would still be in the play. Yeah, we have 5 minutes until new home sales too. So watch out for existing home sales or new home sales. New home sales. Dude, the volatility on Nancy right now is nuts. I mean, it doesn't look that big on the 5-minute, but if you like just looking at price, it's like drops 272 back up to here. It's like really running around. Yeah, 5 minutes until new home sales. 17% on Netflix. There you go. Yeah, Barry, technically, yeah, you're right. But it just wasn't actionable because it was in the pre-market. All right, 4 minutes. Okay. I have an idea. Nancy is NVIDIA. Yes. Yes, Nancy is NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm gonna have some things to do after the data here and with some of these, I think. Spy a little slippage. Off to work. Peace, ankle gang. There you go. They're really gonna do this right before the data comes out? Come on, bro. Don't be fucking around like that. Are we bullish yet? We're neither. We don't give a shit about the market. We just care about the traffic lights. That's all we care about. Oh, Tessie looks interesting here on the 1 minute. Tesla looks like it could be setting up soon. I mean, honestly, same thing with SPY. I think get back down below this level here. Two minutes until some housing data. Let's see. Syria and Saudi Arabia have agreed to reopen their embassies after ties cut more than a decade ago. That's interesting. There's chatter on the options in news. Yeah, see, I don't give a shit about any of that, man. I don't care. What does the chart look like? An SI Silvergate? I mean, I probably wouldn't go near that thing. Nancy ripping again. One minute until data. Let's see. Looks like the market's losing steam. I mean, it's just not breaking and holding 396 here. And you have housing data coming in a second too. So that could move markets around a little bit more than people expect, but we'll see. Right now, it's just patience. Waiting to see what these candles are going to do after the next 20 seconds. Oh, there we go. I was just looking at the realized P&L today after those two SPY scalps. That was fun. All right, here we go. There's the data. Little initial pop. Let's see. Nancy moving. Little bit. Nothing crazy. I mean, it hasn't broken the high yet. Let's see what the data is. U.S. new home sales, 640,000 versus 670,000 previous, estimated 650. GME needs to pop to 30? No, it doesn't. Everybody's selling the shit out of that thing because everybody saw it pop and we're like, oh, finally my chance to get the fuck out of this thing. That's what happened with GME. Yeah, so I'm up 51% on the Babas right now. That's nice. I like that. Honestly, the SPY here is not giving us anything really. It's nothing's actionable here unless you're playing bounces and retests. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla didn't give it to us. Nancy, holy shit, bro. This thing is so strong. There it goes. Yeah, I might just ditch that. Take the money back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes later in the day. There goes SPY. Yeah. What are these for? Yeah, I don't want this. I don't want this. I'll see. I'll leave it here for a bit. You're playing nothing yet? I'm just waiting, dude. What? All right, let's see. This could be a trend day, but I'm not willing to bet on it. Yeah, I'm waiting to see if it's going to be a bait and switch day. That's kind of what I'm looking at here too. If this thing's going to start bait and switching, that's going to be a signal to just be like, all right, don't touch much. Thank you, shop. There you go. Gabe's masterclass was fire as always. Gabe on fire today. Oh, there you guys go. Remember, if you guys do want those morning streams, make sure you guys reach out to Diana so you guys can upgrade to 3-year and get access to all of that wonderful stuff that we provide you guys over there. Don't miss out. Prices are going up at the end of next week. Yeah, I don't really, yeah, unless we start seeing traffic lights, this is just going to be a trend day. You finally broken held 396 here. Unless you just start getting wild shark candles out of nowhere as everybody just starts to liquidate positions. Yeah, you might just fuck around a little. Frosky, no, you got to ask it in here. I can't go searching around for questions while we're on the live stream. And there's the knife. It won't post. Okay, you should have started with that. I don't see it, Frosky. If the 1, 3, and 5 are green and RSI and thigh gap says bullish, or bias that puts under the 200, do we ignore the bias? You can, but you have to treat it as a quick scalp. That was an interesting knife candle there. They bought it up, though. So that's the first bait and switch. that you've seen. That is the first bait and switch that you've seen out of the market today. And here it comes right back up. Tessie got that nice shark there. Let's see. Let's see. Uptrend. That's what it looks like. Unless it breaks here, traffic lights down, and it can break this 395.60. Yeah, I would say uptrend. Stair steps. That's what it looks like. It could just start burning theta too. Let's see. Like I want a nice clean move on a traffic light. I just have not seen one. The only thing that I've done today is just retest and rejections off this. So I played this rejection, this retest, and that was it. And I also sold some of the Baba swings. I scaled out of those, but that was it, man. Amazon lighting on the 3. Oh, I could see that. I could see that. Yeah, Amazon looking a bit interesting here. I mean, the range is super tight on it. SPY coming back up. Let's see. Tesla popped. Yeah, like it's just not. This is all bait and switch today, team. That's all that this looks like. It just looks like bait and switch city. It needs the. I mean, you might just need to give it some time to get these traffic lights to the downside. On the 3-minute on SPY, what is the thigh gap telling us? Thigh gap on the 3-minute on SPY is showing us that it's starting. Nah, it's flat. And no, it's going dark light, dark light. Not really telling us much yet. Hmm. Been trending smaller. Is this significant? Do you expect a large drop coming soon? It's showing a little divergence. That's kind of what it's showing you. It's just showing divergence. This 1-minute MACD is looking like it wants to roll over here. And if the SPY can't break these highs, then yeah, I would expect this thing to come down. But you could just see this thing diverge a bunch today. And Nancy's flying around again. The SPY's already up 1% here. I mean, that's pretty big. After the drop yesterday, I think of 1.7. This is kind of where we were sitting at. What goes up must come down. It doesn't have to, though. Like, we've seen days like this in the past. That's the only thing I'm worried about with taking puts. If it traffic lights down, it could just rip right back up. I think the move down, if it does it, will be very aggressive, but the bait and switch will, it'll be something like this, where it'll come down and just go whoop right back up. Which is why you got to be really careful with it. Now, here comes SPY up. There, yeah, there's that candle. Whoa, 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 whoa. SPY's ripping, Nancy's dying? Fuck happened here? What's going on here? What's up? What's up with this, Nancy? You decided to no longer have any fun? Okay. SPY just really ripping here, dude. This is bait and switch, it looks like. So, where's the next level that we were looking at? It was the first low. No. The first low is 397.40. That's weird. Nancy does have a 1-minute traffic light. Cootie, what up, buddy? How you doing? 15% on Amazon, says Randy. Attaboy, there you go. Coin triggered the 1, 3, and 5 nearly at the same time. Back up. Yeah, that Amazon play was good. Yeah, coin moving a little bit here. That's on the 3. How's this look on the 1? Yeah, 1's flashing around. You got this 200 EMA retest here. SPY slip. Nancy, nope. Nancy's got a mind of its own today. SPY slipping. Nancy's like, yeah, fuck it. I'm going to do whatever the fuck I want. Tesla way up there, too. See? Yeah. Flashing around. Make Nancy pop, please. No. I want Nancy to die. I want Nancy death, bro. That's what I'm looking for. Nancy death. Yeah, I'm up 53% on those Baba swings. Those are good off the foot. Guys, that Baba swing was literally just based off of the 4-hour traffic light. So simple. If you guys aren't using the traffic lights at this point in your trading, I can't help you, man. They're the most powerful momentum indicator that you guys have ever seen. Remember, everybody gets the platform for $5 for your first month in. $5 for your first month in. You'd be a complete dum-dum not to take advantage of that. Let's see. Like, I really want to short the SPY, but like, that's the dumbest thing to do. What's this look like on the 3-minute? Hot. What's it look like on the 5-minute? Really hot. Jesus, this thing is, it seems like it's cruising for a bruising, man, but we're going to have to wait and see what it actually wants to do. The expiration date that I have on my Babas is April 21st. And they're up 54%. So, again, with 4-hour swings, I mean, you can get away with 2 or 3 weeks. You really don't want to. But ideally, you want over. So, these are about a month of time to expiration, and I've already scaled out twice on them. What is your opinion on institutional buyers manipulating market price to get a premium rate before the big move? They do it, but it's not something that I really give a shit about, because the timing's always going to be wrong. Promoted 1348 on your Instagram story yesterday and had 19 clicks on your link and a couple of buddies interested. There you go, man. Keep using those affiliate links, team. You guys all have access to the affiliate program too. You refer like 3 people and your membership is basically free the entire forever. When did you enter that play? The Baba? Yesterday after Powell. Dude, Tesla's ripping here too. SPY, new highs. Yeah, looks like bait and switch today, team. 5-minute is wildly hot. So I did Baba calls based on the 4-hour. Yeah. They're up 58% right now. I got a few left. Gonna let those go. I think they're free at this point. I mean, if I sold half of what's remaining, it would definitely be free. Spies at the 4-hour 200. Is it? That would be very interesting if that's exactly where it was. 397.06. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, that's very interesting. Good call there, Ryan. What did coin do? It's not really getting that push. Looking at that play and learning. Yeah. So I ended up being able to sit. Again, we went over this in the midweek masterclass last Wednesday, and I did the exact thing that I told you guys that I do. I scaled out at 10%, and then I just let the thing go. So I scaled out at 10, it dropped. I scaled back in, then I scaled out again this morning. Credit Suisse sets euro note tender consideration amount at 2 billion. I just don't like much of what I'm seeing here, man. Coin running up with Bitcoin? If Bitcoin's running, then yeah. Ralph, Wreck-It Ralph, are you still in here? What's the dollar looking like? I just don't really expect this to hold. I mean, it could. Like, it easily could. And you make this run to 400 today, and it would be crazy. But waiting for Spy to Scream knife its way out. It did right here, and it couldn't hold. That's the issue here. This looks like bait and switch all day. We've seen these days before. You got to be very careful of these. Because the big move could happen later in the day, but you just blow through all your settled cash by trying to fuck around and trying to catch the drop before it's actually ready to happen. These the Babas are up about 62.5% right now. It's pretty sweet. 64. That's great, man. That is great. Thank you, Baba. 65. You've done that so many times. That's why today, when I see this first traffic light down, I may just burn it and not take it. I might wait for the 2 minute or the 3 minute to do something because I think the 1 minute it's just gonna bait you down and then it'll pop right back up. That's what I'm expecting. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but that's what this price action looks like. What happened to SQ? Hindenburg short report. Dixie 102.25 down for the day. What was the level you were watching? 102.50. Nancy 1 minute put got stopped out when it retraced. Did you get a traffic light back to the upside? No, so you should not have gotten stopped out there. Your entry should have been on here. You never get a traffic light back up. You're still in the play. Boom. You're right at a level here, 272. You break that. Uh-oh. You've done the most damage to your port trying to fight the trend. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Spy doing it here. If I do it, it'll be really small. I just don't really want to be fucking around all that much with, hey, with trying to catch the bait and switch when I don't need to. Cutting your Baba there. I could scale out again if I really wanted to. There have been a lot of times recently where I've cut them too early and they just continue to go. So I've already scaled out of it today. Looks good. So we'll see what happens. Where is it right now? Where is Baba? There goes Nancy with a slip. See, here's the thing. You don't want to be front running anything today. You don't want to be trying to front run anything today. $102.58 would be the technical target on the dollar. Yeah, bait and switch. I'll wait for now. That's what it looks like. I'm just saying that's what this looks like to me, bait and switch. Ape Scrotus, I think that all of the information that you need to have success is already out for you in all the curriculum videos and the streams that we do. If you want help taking it a bit further, again, then go for it. Here comes SPY down. I mean, the trade is there. I just don't want it. I don't want it. These are some points in trading, guys, where you have to be able to identify price action and say, could it really knife on you here? Yeah, absolutely. And you could hit a nasty trade. But a lot of the time you see these bait and switches. If you start to see the trend shift, you could probably just pick another fucking stock, Tesla, NVIDIA, and literally anything else and play that. So if you look at this on the 3-minute with the thigh gap, that's 2 bar. Okay, so it's 2 bars that have told you that it's losing that momentum on the traffic light strength, and it's now crossing below its RSI moving average on the 3. You just bounced off the 3-minute 13 though. So, and that's also what it did previously at the 395 level when it bounced and just really ripped from there. So I'm just saying, I'm approaching this market right now with caution. Get ready for Gabe to tell you he's up over 20% on the poor playing SPY. I would not be surprised if he was at all. I was seeing how fast some of these contracts were moving, and I was like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I would love for them to give me a fucking scale out. I don't think they're going to, though. Unless the market just completely dies. And again, I sort of already have exposure to the downside too. So it's like, I'm not going to chase this on a day trade yet if I already have big exposure to the downside. You were in Baba last week. How about through your duration? Oh, yeah. So I was in it too, but I cut it super quick because it broke this. It broke this 87.27, which you also kind of see come 84. It's like it was breaking this that I didn't like. You saw this consolidation period, which in the past it's ripped out of a bunch of times. So I was like, oh, that looks pretty good. Drop down below. Now started to come back up. 4-hour traffic light. Oh, I think it was 2 days ago. And I basically got it on this retest here, which was sexy. See, fuck you. Look at these bait and switches right now. Should I do it? I could do it. I could go for a baby trade. How are the SPY premiums today? I haven't played SPY today. I was fucking around with SPX, which was really fun. Except for the one part of it where it was like, oh, dear Lord, it's fucking going crazy. Oh, the premiums have actually settled down today. That's very interesting. So Nancy with a bounce off the 1-minute 200. And SPY bait and switching. See? You see what I'm saying? Yeah, the premiums on SPY do look normal, but the price action looks very bait and switchy. Tessie has a 1-minute traffic light down. I don't hate that because Tessie can get a mind of its own and come back down here to this like 196. And let's just see what happens. Again, so what I probably do right now is be looking at the 3-minute. If it breaks that 3-minute 13, that would be interesting, which is currently sitting at 396.31, which it doesn't want to do here. Another great entry on Baba. Well done. Thank you, buddy. It's what we do. It's what we do around here. Where are my Baba contracts now? 52%. That's fine. I like that. And Baba loves to show you that it can just gap up like crazy too. So, or down, like it's very risky. What freaked me out this morning is that they weren't updating the premiums, so that when I was looking to get out up here, Well, let me show you. I was looking at this on the 5-minute. I was looking to get out here, like on this candle, but like right as it was started dropping is when they started populating the option chain, and I was like, "Fuck you, bro! Did this thing really just?" Dude, Nancy is a fucking powerhouse, an absolute powerhouse. Tessie flashing back and forth. Oh my God, it's a fucking head and shoulders. I just take the damn free money. God, fucking it moves. It's moving so quick. I can't even get anything. Fuck, I wanted it right before this candle. I wanted this retest. Fuck you. Anti-strong, but not as strong as you would expect on that move. Damn it. That's what I wanted. Assholes. Assholes, assholes, assholes. It's fine. It's fine. See you in the next one, STV. It's time to get off. Oh, yeah, it is. 10:27 in the morning, guys. Remember, make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana so that you guys can upgrade to 3-year before the end of next week, before those prices go up. And team, here is the link. Everybody gets access to all the wonderful things that we offer you guys on the platform for literally $5 for your first month. If you don't take that offer, man, I mean, watch out because prices are going up soon. Oh, hint, hint. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Team, I will see you guys later. Make sure you guys hop in, scan that QR code. Peace.